Well, this is a good sign. I've got an active beehive around here somewhere that survived the winter. So, I don't know where they're at. Those are old honey frames that still have some leftover honey on them. And they'll clean those up. They're out looking for some food right now. It's one of the first nicest days this winter. And I'll make up some sugar water with some supplements in it. And I'll put 2 or 3 jars around here on my trees that the bees can come and start feeding on it, so they can take them back to the nest and start feeding the rest of the hive to start fortifying it for the female, for the queen to start getting busy and lay eggs again. Then maybe they get built up, I'll catch a swarm that comes off in the nest here in May. And I can utilize that for a hive, for a colony in one of my boxes.